Yeah, you're welcome to this channel. This is Joshua Zhe. Um, I'm introducing today some basic things we'll be doing in this YouTube channel. So, firstly, I'll be taking you on a series of trumpet tutorials from the basics. Yes, from the basics. Then, time to time, I'll be posting um worship songs by music ministers like Pastor Nathaniel Bassey, GUC, Sinach, and many of them. So, and then I'll be posting also trumpet worship session by me, and short clip messages, So, just to stir up our spirit. Then, as the time goes on, I'll be posting just few educational guide, yes, so, and a lot more, especially in this month we're entering, the month of March. It's gonna be the best month ever, because we never had better yesterday. So I would like you to subscribe. I would like you to like. Yes, I would like you to like videos I've posted already, and you give your comment, observations, a lot more. So, bye. Thank you very much for watching. Stand for Jesus Christ and His kingdom. Yo.